What is up, Team Loyal? What is happening in the world of YouTube here in the Philippines? Breaking news. Axunta, in a new video uploaded just a few minutes ago, said they were signing off. So they erased all of the videos in their channel, all of the covers. Everything was private, and they just left one video which was titled Axunta signing off. So as most of you may know, it's been a controversial few months for Axunta. They received a lot of criticisms from fans, from a few artists, that they were making money from other people's work. They were gaining fame, they were gaining money just by doing covers of other people's work. So it's a very controversial topic in the music industry. We would like to hear from you guys what you guys think. Yun, so yes or no, was it the right thing for Axunta to do? Yes, if you think na yes, it's the right thing for them to do. They already gained fame, nakilala na sila with their cover songs. It's time for them to move on, to try something new, para hindi naman sila nasisiraan, or hindi naman sila naiirita na gano'n, na hindi nila kaya gumawa ng original stuff, original material, wala silang originality, all that. And maybe there's a lot more to them than the cover songs. Maybe they can show that now na they erased everything and para wala nang masabi. So start fresh. But they still have the 600,000 subscribers in their YouTube channel. So they have a strong fan base na. They can start from there. So it's good. And there's the other side naman, which is no, na hindi sila dapat bumigay. Kasi YouTube is such a harsh place for comments, for criticisms, na hindi sila dapat bumigay. Kumbaga, wala naman silang ginagawa na illegal. I think YouTube naman has a fair system when it comes to covers. Sometimes they give the revenue to the original artist. So they make a lot of people happy with their music. Hindi nila dapat inalis or tinanggal yung mga videos. But I think they made them private. Anytime naman they could put it back. I don't think they deleted the videos. They just made the videos private. So I want to hear from you guys. This is a very breaking news, very hot topic. For me personally, I think it's a nice way then to start over what they did. Kumbaga, they acknowledge the criticisms na pinapato sa kanila, and they want to show the world na they have more to offer than their Axunta song requests and their cover songs. So I think whatever happens naman, they are a talented bunch of guys, and they would do well. Their channel is doing well, and they would continue making great music, great content, whatever man yun. But I want to hear what you guys think. Yes or no? Yes, if okay yung ginawa nila na removing all the videos and starting over, or no, hindi sila dapat bumigay dun sa mga bashers and mga nagko-comments ng negative about them. Thank you guys. Please keep supporting Modus Manila TV. Please follow us, more breaking news, more pageant news. I love you guys.